Well, welcome to yet another wet, miserable day in Quebec. What a bummer over summer. You get a couple of nice days and it's pouring down again. Why am I doing this video? Because we've got a box with it from Ashcroft's, I do believe. Yes, it is. With the parts for Eric's gearbox. It's a big box. Put the straps off of that, won't it? Right, that's in the box. And the loss. Here. Oh, we have here LT230 gasket and seal kit. We've got the 3 seals, a few O-rings and bits and pieces, and some gaskets that we don't usually use, but that doesn't really matter. At least we've got those. The next thing what we've got here is a set of bearings. Well, we think it's a set of bearings, there's plenty of them. Yeah, these are for the LT230. Oh, that's good, I'm pleased about that, because I already got a start on the LT230 using my bearings, because I had some. Now, this is interesting. I've got one of these. This is an oil control ring, I'll show you this in a minute, or oil transfer ring. And we've got an O-ring. And, oh, so I'm pleased about that, we've got the bearings. We didn't really need much for the LT230. But we needed an oil transfer ring. Where has that gone? We've got that, but that's not the bit we need. This is the bit we've been having a few issues with. Because we're trying to find out what this material is. I think we can get it here. I think in the UK they call it Tufnol. This is the original rings, and of course when we've been doing the bigger bearings we found out our bearings are not fitting through this hole, so we've had to open them out. So we've ordered this one from Ashcroft's, and then we can work out what the actual bearing size is. And I think going off that, this is the same as ours, so we were right on that one. I'm going to pop down to JP and show him that. He'll be over the moon. Well, what have we got here? This is a rebuild kit for an LT77. We've got a set of synchro rings, we've got a filter, we've got a bearing, circlips. Oh, that's nice. They even come with that little pickup pipe that goes in the front cover, because that's usually missing. Circlips, that's good, that's good. Bearings, again, very good. Good. What's in here? Oh, I see what he's ordered. I don't know what, you know, when customers order things, they don't know what they order. These are the metal gears to go for the oil pump instead of the regular gears. And even comes with a little key for them to drive. How cute. That's nice. Look at that. Yeah, nice. That's perfect. And also we've got the oil seal ring and a nut. Perfect. I am still wondering why, when they do the Ashcroft's LT230s, why they don't include a 20mm nut that goes on the flanges. You know, these flanges, this is the one I just had rebuilt. They never include the nuts. They include the washers, but not the nuts. What's in here? Oh, there's a gasket set. And a box of nothing. So, this is the way I work sometimes, because I already have LT230 bearings. I put them into this box I've got under cover here. But the very place we wanted is missing. When we've got a gear like this, it's an oil feed ring that goes on the back, and I asked him to get it and he hasn't got one. So I have here a gear pre-drilled, and this one isn't. So seeing I've got to go down to see JP, I think I'll take this down and see if JP can drill this one, the original one. Then we can box all that transfer box back up again.
Wow.
Great success. Oh, that's another thing we didn't get. We didn't get the synchro hub. Bugger. Never mind. I'll think of something.